Workshop on alternative assessment for the teachers and the teacher trainers working in the government school. Objectives of this alternative assessment are to explain the concept of alternative assessment, to identify the benefits of alternative assessment, to experience and analyze some alternative assessment techniques and strategies, to provide an importance of alternative assessment in continuous and comprehensive evaluation, to change the mindset of the participants to understand what, how, why and when of alternative assessment. The first session of this workshop, brainstorming activity. So participants are requested to sit in groups and make a list of different tests that you have given as a teacher are taken as a learn English. For example, true false multiple choice tests. And after sitting in groups, you just make a list of all the test items, then compare the list whether the items that you have listed test the skill, what skill it was tested, whether it is testing the knowledge of the language or a use of the language. And second option, next step is that you can just discuss among yourselves, is there any difference between evaluation and the assessment? Last one is, what is alternative assessment and what are its key concepts and key benefits? What is alternative assessment? Formative assessment is done to know where are your students, whereas evaluation is to know how much they retained and whatever they learned in the classroom. This table gives you a clear picture difference between a formative and the summative assessment. Otherwise we call it as an assessment versus evaluation. So the timing of assessment is the formative, whereas the timing of evaluation is summative. Assessment is mainly focused on process oriented, whereas the evaluation is focused on product oriented. Assessment is reflective and evaluation is a prescriptive. Assessment is helpful for diagnostics and the summative or the evaluation is helpful to judgment, whereas the formative assessment is a flexible and the summative evaluation is a fixed. Assessment is absolute, evaluation is comparative. Formative assessment is cooperative, whereas the summative evaluation is competitive. Key concepts of alternative assessment: authenticity, real life tasks, communicative, knowledge versus performance, clear criteria, what to evaluate, opportunities for self and peer assessment. Evaluate the process and the product of learning. Evaluate and monitor instructions. Support the students psychologically. Promote autonomous and self-directed learning. Of alternative assessment: portfolios, performance assessment, peer assessment, self-recording. Again, sit in groups and discuss the following questions: what are portfolios and how are they maintained? How portfolios are helpful to assess your students' performance? How portfolios are helpful to make your students autonomous learners? Do you maintain portfolios in your school? If so, share your experience with others in the group. Portfolios. Portfolios are collection of students' works, correction by the teacher and classmates. A piece of work students can feel proud of. So discuss the following in group. What is performance assessment? How do you assess your students' performance? Do you use any rubrics or criteria to assess your students' performance? If so, share your experience. What is the difference between evaluation and assessment? Have you ever assessed your students' performance in your language class? If so, share your experience with other members in a group. What is the role of a teacher, student, audience while assessing the students' performance? Students' performance can be assessed. Recording is needed for that. In pairs, students interview each other and record. Students listen to their responses. Students identify their mistakes and plan how to correct them. Discuss the following questions in group. What is peer assessment? How is it important? What is the role of a teacher? How peer assessment is helpful to make your students a better user of a language? How is it used in your classroom? Do you use any rubrics or criteria to assess their peers? Have you ever used the peer assessment in your language classroom? If so, how, where and when? Share your experience here. Prepare a rubric for peer assessment. This is a sample of rubric prepared to assess for peer assessment. Prepare a checklist with a defined criteria. Criteria may be negotiated with the students. Students perform their presentations. A peer evaluate the presentation by using these rubrics. The grade is 5-point rating scale, and if their grammar is good, you can give 4 or 5 marks and it is treated as a good. If it is acceptable, award 3 to 2 marks, and if it needs an improvement, you award just 0 or the 1. Here this is a total score, like the vocabulary, fluency and the clarity. Everything can be graded. This is another sample of rubrics. Do you agree or disagree with the next idea? Teacher needs to have a high level of self-motivation. If organization is good, give 2 marks. If it is acceptable, give 1 mark. Needs improvement, award 0. Interesting introduction, clear transition, support, adequate example, detailed information, time, stick to the time limit and the total. Again discuss the following questions in groups regarding the self-record keeping. What is self-record keeping? How is it important? How self-recording keeping is helpful to make your students learn better? Have you ever used self-record keeping technique in your language class? If so, how? Share your experience. Prepare a format for self-record keeping and explain how it is used. This is a sample of self-record keeping. Suppose you want to give a task of writing a biography. So ask the students to select the artist on the day 1 and give the opportunity for the student to do the research to collect the information about his and her biodata. Third day you have to ask the students to write a biography of their first draft, and the fourth day they have to check, they have to revise their first draft and go for the pronunciation, and the last day is for the presentation day.